Hello everyone and welcome to another Youtober video. I didn't do this much on this day. I went for lunch with one of my friends and then afterwards I went to work in the PhD room. After I did some work at the doctoral study room, I went and picked up my fresh business cards. I really like how they came out, so one side is Japanese and the other side is just English. Hello everyone, so I picked up my business cards. I really like them, I think they're very nice. 100 is not as much as I thought it would be actually, but yeah, better than nothing. I'm now just walking towards the bus. I'm gonna go home and clean up a bit because my boyfriend's coming over tonight. Yeah. And I just need to get a few things in. Okay, bad news, because it's raining and I left my laundry out. So I'm wet and my laundry's wet and I didn't bring them back. So okay, so we made it home, more or less wet, but so the weather forecast said that it was going to rain, but like later in the evening, and I was foolish enough to trust them. So I'm going to get my laundry in, and clean my place. I need to vacuum, I need to swipe, and then I'm going to make dinner.